It's Monday, March 28th, 2016. Here's the situation in the sky. Okay, 7:03 in the morning, 7 a.m. Is the sky wide enough yet? Well, we have a white cat right over here. There's about 4 of them that live here. They're just street cats. Anyway, this is the village, and I'm going to show you my cat museum. And I got a really great compliment yesterday. This guy came up and he said, "Well, where is the cat museum?" And I said, "This is it." He was really surprised, and he said it was so great. He said, "I'm a regular museum goer, and I went to Art Basel, and your little setup here is more interesting than Art Basel." Oh my gosh. You know, Art Basel is an international art exhibition where galleries come from all over the world. Look at this white sky. Okay, the sun is peeking through there. But, so I'll just show you where I set up this cat thing. Oh, and it seems the cat is down there. There's a stray cat that likes to go to my cat museum and sleep under the chair. It's so funny. See, he's up there. Let's see if he comes over. And here is the post office. It's closed because it's a holiday. And here's my funny cat museum setup. All right. So we got Happy Easter, Lucky Cat cards, and I put in Chinese John 3:16. So it was wet last night, but anyway, I have all these cards that I've been doing for years and years. And there is John 3:16 and Revelation, Luke 21:25. So people like these, and there's the cat. See where he's going. See if he comes down here. Anyway, so this is Llama Island, and okay, here's a picture of the cat that he comes and sits under the chair. So I made postcards of that also. And then here is an article about 20 or 30 private museums. So here's my private museum. And then I have another location. And let's see, I have some political, okay, here's my political cats, not bombs for Belgium. 3/22/16. Okay, here he comes. All right, let's see if he shows up here. Psh, psh, psh. Psh, psh, psh. Let's see if he comes to the cat museum today. But I have all these cards under there, so he can't. Come on. He's just a feral cat. There are lots of feral cats here, but some of the little shops, restaurants, snack bars have adopted them. Well, hello. Oh, come say hi to the cat museum. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, good kitty. Are you going to say hello to the cat museum? Come here. Okay, let me put my stuff down. There he goes. Okay, well, now he's on his way somewhere. I think he's hungry. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone. And do something. Do something fun. People like it, you know. They really are craving something real that isn't Gucci and upscale shopping center stuff. I've had so many people pay me compliments on this crazy thing. I'm not going to do it for that much longer, though, because it's a lot of work. But preach the gospel to every living creature. Isn't that a weird thing? Every living creature. Hi, baby. Poor baby, you're hungry, huh? Okay, bye for now, everyone. Peace and love in your hearts, and be safe.